Are you a designer or do you want to learn Photoshop? Do you really want to improve your Photoshop skills? Well, you're in the right place. What's up guys, my name is Zenja and we are here to do one thing and one thing only. Learn and master Photoshop. The question is, how do we do that without spending money on online courses or doing boring tutorials where nobody explains what you're actually doing? Well, now you have someone that can teach you everything you need to know in Photoshop. So on this channel, I am creating full processing videos on how to create cool stuff. In the last 16 years, I have been working with clients with Photoshop and I found out that creating these videos is the best way to teach others how to master their Photoshop skills. Here you learn the basics of Photoshop theory, how to use different tools in different scenarios, and of course, how to use all the tools that I use. Once you get the theory done, you'll be able to create amazing work yourself. So it doesn't really matter how experienced you are right now. So if you're ready to start taking your work to the next level, subscribe to my channel and get started right now.